Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you about my favorite face wash. It is Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash. So I have actually been using this for years and years, but I'm not really, I used it all through my teens and stuff like that, and I would get breakouts here and there. I never had really bad acne problem or anything like that. I would just get, I don't know, your normal amount of breakouts, and then I'm sure wearing makeup sometimes would irritate my skin a little bit and cause breakouts here and there, so it's always helped with that. What I really like is that it removes all my makeup except for my waterproof mascara that I'll have to specifically use an eye makeup remover for, or baby oil to take it off. But in general, I really like this face wash. Neutrogena I think is a really great brand for so long. Consistency of it, it's kind of thick, and then you just need one pump, and then that'll be enough to wash your face and to get all your makeup off. And I kind of just wash in a circular motion, and I use it on my neck. I just use it in the shower, but sometimes I use it in the sink at night to remove my makeup. It just works the best. I think it removes makeup better than any other face wash I've ever used. I was using Cetaphil for a while because it's a little bit more gentle on your skin, but if I have makeup on, I can't use that because it doesn't remove it. And I also like that this, because I have an oily T-zone from my forehead to my nose and my chin, and I feel like this wash away a lot of that oil. And since I use this, I don't feel like I get as much oil in my skin. I feel like it really helps with that. So this is the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash with Micro Clear Technology. It is a salicylic acid acne treatment. It is 9.1 ounces, and it just works really well. Obviously you could see I'm almost at the bottom. I'm gonna have to have a new one, but this has lasted me I don't think I bought a new one since June, so over 3 months ago. And they sell this in most, if you're not familiar with it, they sell this in most drugstores and online, and I think they actually have a grapefruit version as well. This one doesn't have perfume or any kind, it doesn't smell like anything, so that's totally fine. I mean, I don't need it to smell like anything because it's just washing, I'm just gonna be using it on my skin anyway. I think I'd prefer for there to be no perfumes. And I guess I bought this one in the store, so I guess this has this safety seal on it. So break the breakout cycle. This #1 dermatologist recommended acne cleanser combines a powerful acne treatment and cleanser in one formula to treat and help prevent breakouts in one simple step. It eliminates oil and unclogs pores, while its medicine treats breakouts, even blackheads. Effective yet gentle, it won't over dry or irritate. Rinses clean, leaving no pore clogging residue, which is true. I have to say, if you get, I mean, a lot of people probably don't, but a couple times on spray tans for my friend's wedding, and then this makes the spray tan not last as long because I guess whatever it is in this, it really gets deep down into your pores to do a cleaning, so it'll kind of knock off some of the time that you have the spray tan. But I don't think that's a major concern for anyone. I just wanted to mention that. So drug facts: the active ingredient is salicylic acid, 2%. The purpose is acne treatment, and it is used for the treatment of acne. So I think this is good for, honestly, even my dad is in his 50s and he gets breakouts here and there and can use this. So I really feel it's good for people of all ages. I really do. Warnings: for external use only. When using this product, skin irritation and dryness is more likely to occur if you use another topical acne medication at the same time. If irritation occurs, only use one topical acne medication at a time. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. And of course, keep out of reach of children. Cleanse twice a day on face. Apply to hands. Add water and work into lather. It says massage and rinse thoroughly. Store at room temperature. And then they have all the ingredients listed here. Distributed by Johnson & Johnson distributors in Skillman, New Jersey. So if you guys are looking for something similar that does have like a scent, if that matters, I would just do like the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. Grapefruit one, that one's like a pink formula. They're so great. I just love Neutrogena. I like their makeup, I like their cleanser, and like I said, I've been using it for years. So this is definitely my favorite. If you're looking for something that won't dry out your skin but will help with breakouts, which it definitely does because I get less breakouts when I use this. And if you're ladies, if you're looking for something to remove all your makeup, definitely check this out. So it's Neutrogena oil-free acne wash with micro clear technology. I hope you guys try it out and I hope you love it. Thanks so much for